massive financial scam on my June 7th video, and now it's all over the news. Jane Street scandal of around 40,000 crores in Indian rupees or 5 billion US dollars is now the talk of the town. What's pretty interesting or shocking here is the way Jane Street has tricked the option traders and also the way they have misused the regulatory system in India. As per Vedic astrology, it was pretty easy to indicate or predict that this kind of manipulation was happening in the market, and this kind of scam could be exposed during this certain time period, which I had done in my video dated 7th of June. Welcome back to my channel Ramya Jyotish, and I'm Ramya Shri. As I mentioned, I had predicted this financial scam exposure on my 7th June video, where I had mentioned on Mangal Ketu's conjunction in Simha Rashi, and that can lead to various kind of exposures, and one of them was this financial scam. First, let me show you that video if you haven't watched it, and then let's continue this video. And economic shocks and the market volatility. This is something very rare to happen, but I'll tell you. I think all of you would have heard about the Wolf of the Wall Street or about Bernie Madoff. So in Bernie Madoff's chart, we have this Mars Ketu conjunction in Vrishab Rashi. So he was such a highly intelligent yet someone who manipulated the markets, and even the police forces or even the detectives or the one who investigated the case also couldn't identify what he did actually, and Bernie Madoff only had to explain them. So that shows the level of intelligence Ketu creates when he is associated with Mars, and that's what we may see during this time. So there could be reveal or there could be an expose of a biggest financial scam, okay, where even the local government or the leaders at a very top level are also involved, because Simha Rashi it's involved and Mars Ketu is here. So a very big reveal or a very big exposure of a big financial scam also may happen, or it may actually be revealed to the public during this time, and this can cause a huge crash in the financial markets, and also volatility will hit the market. As I explained in my 7th June YouTube video, this Mars Ketu conjunction in Simha Rashi itself was a clear warning sign that there will be an exposure of financial crime. Let me break out this in much more simpler manner to make you understand. Mangal or Mars is the commander-in-chief. He indicates the police force in the modern era, and in this case, because he is placed in Simha Rashi from 7th of June, we have to take him as market regulator, because Simha Rashi, being the natural 5th house from the Kalpush Kundli perspective, becomes the stock market speculation house, and that's why Mangal's presence here can make it or can give it a role of market regulator. Now, who is this Ketu? Ketu is that headless energy, as we know from the Samudra Manthan story. So this Ketu is that kind of a hacker or the one who keeps finding the loopholes and has a tendency of misusing this for their unfair advantage. And that's what happened here. When this Mangal and Ketu came to this Simha Rashi and also are now closing on their conjunction, that's when this financial crime could get exposed. Because Mangal, having the tendency of performing that regulatory job or the police job, so he was able to pull out this crime to the core, and it is deep shocking, because that's what Ketu is. Because the way Ketu manipulates, the way Ketu does things, nobody can actually identify, and that's what has happened in this Jane Street scandal as well. I have related this with the Bernie Madoff scam in this discussion, because as I mentioned in the predictive video also, in Bernie Madoff's chart there was this conjunction of Mangal Ketu. So whenever we have this Mangal Ketu conjunction, we can expect the exposure of financial crime or the financial crime happening behind the screens. And that's what has happened during this time as well. You may ask, all this manipulation started from 17th of Jan 2024, and was there any indication or did the system really neglected or ignored the warning of it? The planetary positions during that time, Jan 17, 2024 and after that also, was not that powerful enough to find out, because Ketu from far or through the aspect won't reveal, or it is very hard to understand what Ketu is cooking behind the bars. But only when there is a conjunction with Ketu is when we will get to know what's actually happening. On 17th of Jan 2024, Shanidev was in Kumbh Rashi and Ketu was in Kanya Rashi. Mangal was in Dhanur Rashi and Surya, the Simha Rashi Lord, was in Makar Rashi. So literally no planets had aspect on Ketu. Even Guru Brihaspati was in Mesh Rashi. Until Brihaspati moved to Vrishab Rashi on 2nd of May, there was no aspect on Ketu. Maybe, probably after May 2024, the regulatory authority could have got some doubt, or there could have been some suspicion about some kind of manipulation or something is going wrong kind of thoughts would have popped up in their mind. But there were no clear indication patterns which were easy to identify, and that's the reason may not have went ahead with the investigation or may not have taken it seriously. But when the planetary positions changed and Ketu came to Simha Rashi on 31st of May as per true node Rahu Ketu position, that's when the suspicion could have actually started, or could have been when the Mangal, who was in Mithun Rashi, Karkatak Rashi, when he moved to the Simha Rashi. So when Mangal came to Mithun Rashi somewhere in the last year, October, that's when he started having the aspect on Ketu. So there could have been suspicion during that time as well, and the major amount of suspicion would have started somewhere in the May month actually. And that's when the actual investigation also could have started. So how was SEBI able to identify this financial scam if we take from Vedic astrology perspective and also from the technical perspective? They caught this Jane Street scandal or the scam red-handed on 4th of July 2025. So the numbers don't lie here. If we just look at that, it was a systematic manipulation of Bank Nifty index. So around 4,843 crores were seized. Complete market ban in India was imposed. So almost like 43,000 crore in option profits is what Jane Street made, and 61,000 crores were stolen from the retail investors, and massive losses deliberately created to hide this manipulation. So if we see the whole story as well as the manipulation strategy, which is like this. In the morning phase, Jane Street used to aggressively buy the Bank Nifty stocks and futures. They would artificially pump up the index and build massive short positions in the options. Then in the afternoon phase, they used to dump all the positions, crash the index. Then they used to profit from the bearish options, and they used to repeat the same strategy on a daily basis. On a single day, on 17th of Jan, they made around 738 crores as profits. They did show around 100 crores as loss also in the cash market, but the profits were high. So purposefully they showed the fake losses or the purposefully made losses also, so that there could be no kind of suspicion on them. But when it was clearly observed, the manipulation strategy was able to be identified. And this was a very systematic manipulation strategy. And that's what is the way Ketu works as well. And that's what happened in this case as well. So Bernie Madoff also did similar thing. He had created a Ponzi scheme. He used to do fake trades, show fake numbers. But at the end, it was a huge loss to the investors. So many people did lose their money in that case also, and that's what we did see in that Nasdaq Stock Exchange Ponzi scheme as well. So why this kind of connection or why this kind of conjunction happens during this time, and that time it was in Vrishab Rashi, because Bernie Madoff had this Mangal Ketu's conjunction in Vrishab Rashi, and now this conjunction has happened in the transit in Simha Rashi. So Vrishab Rashi, Simha Rashi, both are the Lakshmi house or the wealth house. So second house and the natural fifth house. So both having connection with the monetary matters or with the stock markets has actually given out the result. So that's what I can say here. So that's why I had actually remembered Bernie Madoff during that predictive video, because the main way, or I had actually picked up this conjunction mainly from Bernie Madoff's birth chart actually. If you are really interested, you can go and actually look out for his details in astro.com, and you can actually plot the chart. He has Mangal Ketu in Vrishab Rashi along with the Vrishab Rashi Lord Venus also. That's also pretty interesting. And this Jane Street scandal has actually had a great impact on retail investors actually. If we actually look out the kind of impact it has caused, while Jane Street made billions, the retail investors stock lost actually equivalent amounts, and option premiums were artificially inflated, and the stop losses were triggered by fake price movements, and totally the market wasn't fair at all, and it was rigged up actually. So this Saturn, being a surveillance authority, was also not able to identify. Mangal, being the police or the enforcer, had to come near Ketu to unreveal or reveal this biggest scam, and Ketu being the major role here, who devised such a hidden scheme and got exposed as soon as it got conjunct with Mangal. So this fifth house stock market speculation, when actually brought out this scam, has a pivotal role to play. So this is what I would like to explain from the Vedic astrology angle. Now what this means going forward, which is what every one of you might be waiting in this video. On 13th of July, Shanidev turns Vakri. On 18th of July, Buddha turns Vakri. And Buddha will be Vakri till August 11, and Shanidev will be Vakri till November 28. So these dates are highly important, and I urge you to note down. So from July 13 to August 11, markets won't be in good mood. So once Shanidev turns Vakri, market will have some kind of fumbling coming up, because he is sitting in the natural 11th house from India's Vrishab Lagna. That's very important to note. And he also would be starting to give results of Kumbha Rashi, the 11th house from the Kalpurush Kundli, and also would be in the radar of Mangal's aspect as well. And this time period is not that easy to survive. Mangal Ketu one side, Saturn Rahu the other side, though not in the same Rashi. So I just hope God saves us, Bhagwan saves us. So that's what is my prayers is. So with the Mangal Dasha starting for our country Bharat, we can see more and more set of regulations coming up, more and more awareness created in the public, especially for the retail investors, and better market surveillance also will come up, because that's what we have to actually urge for, and also we can expect for. And more protection for retail investors would be provided, and some global regulatory cooperation also may happen, because Mangal is that regulator or that police force who is interested in imposing rules and regulations, and who enforces to follow the rules and regulations. So we can expect those things during this time. So what is very intriguing is that more and more scandals will be exposed as soon as and when this Saturn Mangal continues its transit. So this cosmic cleanup has just begun, and that's it. So this was for the today, the prediction which I had made, and it actually happened in the reality. It's not a good one, but just to make you understand or just to convey that what the Western methodologies have can actually avoid or indicate only the systemic risk. They cannot indicate something outside the system. So that's why they are always limited in options. But our Indian system, devised by our ancient rishis, ancient sages, are always eternal and covers all kind of stuffs in them. That is, any kind of risk also we can indicate, and the best example is this Jane Street scam. So keep watching my channel Ramya Jyotish, and please provide your feedback or suggestion also in the comment box, and we'll meet again soon.